Section 20 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 6, December 1897. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Tommy Hersant, Carlsbad, California. Birds, Volume 2, Number 6, December 1897, Section 20, Summary. Mountain Bluebird, Cealia arctica. Other names, Rocky Mountain and Arctic Bluebird. Range, Rocky Mountain region north to Great Slave Lake, south to Mexico, west to higher mountain ranges along the Pacific. Nest, placed in deserted woodpecker holes, natural cavities of trees, nooks and corners of barns and outhouses composed of dry grass. Eggs, commonly 5, of pale, plain, greenish blue. English sparrow, Passer domesticus. Other names, European sparrow, house sparrow. Range, southern Europe. Introduced into and naturalized in North America, Australia, and other countries. Nest, of straw and refuse generally, in holes, boxes, trees, any place that will afford protection. Eggs, 5 to 7. Allen's hummingbird, Selasphorus alleni. Range, Pacific coast, north to British Columbia, east to southern Arizona. Nest, plant down, covered with lichens. Eggs, 2, white. Green-winged teal, Anis carolinensis. Range, North America, migrating south to Honduras and Cuba. Nest, on the ground, in a thick growth of grass. Eggs, 5 to 8, greenish buff, usually oval. Black grouse, Tetrao tetrix. Other name, black cock. Range, southern Europe and the British Islands. Nest, carelessly made of grasses and stout herbage on the ground. Eggs, 6 to 10, of yellowish-gray with spots of light brown. American flamingo, Phenicopterus ruber. Range, Atlantic coasts of subtropical and tropical America, Florida Keys. Nest, mass of earth, sticks, and other materials scooped up to the height of several feet and hollow at the top. Eggs, 1 or 2, elongate ovate in shape, with thick shell, roughened with a white flaky substance but bluish when this is scraped off. Verdon, Auriparus flaviceps. Other name, yellow-headed bush tit. Range, northern regions of Mexico and contiguous portions of the United States, from southern Texas to Arizona and lower California. Nest, globular, the outside being one mass of thorny twigs and stems, interwoven and lined with feathers. Eggs, 3 to 6, of a bluish or greenish-white color, speckled with reddish-brown. Bronzed grackle, Quiscalus quiscala-aneus. Range, eastern North America from the Alleghenies in New England north to Hudson Bay, west to Rocky Mountains. Nest, in sycamore trees and oak woodlands, a coarse, bulky structure of grasses, knotty roots, mixed with mud lined with horsehair or wool. Eggs, 4 to 6, of a light greenish or smoky blue, with lines, dot, blotches, and scrawls on the surface. Ring-necked pheasant, Phasianus torquatus. Range, throughout China, have been introduced into England and the United States. Nest, on the ground under bushes. Eggs, vary from 13 to 20. Yellow-breasted chat, Icteria virens. Range: eastern United States to the Great Plains, north to Ontario and southern New England, south in winter through eastern Mexico to northern Central America. Nest in briar thickets from 2 to 5 feet up, of withered leaves, dry grasses, strips of bark lined with finer grasses. Eggs 3 or 4, white, with a glossy surface. End of Section 20. End of Birds, Volume 2, Number 6, December 1897. This recording is in the public domain. Reading by Tommy Hersant, Carlsbad, California.